Zamran Khan, what to do if one forgets how many rakahs he prayed? Correct procedure, please. May Allah bless you. While a person is praying, and if he forgets how many rakah has he prayed, and this happens quite a few times because the mind diverts and you forget how many rakahs have you prayed. So in this situation, you count the lower number. You count the lower number. Suppose if you are praying 4 rakat of Asr and you don't know whether it's the 3rd rakat or 4th rakat, you count it as the lower number and complete your salah, and then before the salah is over, you do sajda saw. You do 2 sajdas before the salah is over, and then you do your salam. This is the right procedure. Similarly, when you're doing tawaf around the Kaaba, you don't know how many circles you have done tawaf. So count the lower number, since you have to finish 7, and complete the balanced number. That is the right procedure. Count the lower number and complete the salah, and in the salah you do sajda saw.